Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here at the red carpet of Filmfest South Awards, and with me right now I have Eden Rose. So join me as I welcome her only on Zoom. Lovely to have you and lovely outfit, I must say that. And I must say that you are raising the bar right now. So how much time did you take today to get ready?
Well, I started my hair and makeup at 4:15 and I was done around 6:15, so 2 hours.
And whenever you come for a red carpet or such events, what is that one song that plays on your mind?
One song, I'd say the song Bipasha, 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 because that's how I feel about myself, main character.
Main character energy, I must say that. But one thought which comes to your mind, all the time whenever you are going to embrace, say a red carpet or any as such events.
Honestly, I'm always excited. This is, by the way, my first film fair. But normally before every red carpet, I'm excited to see how people are calm, what they're dressed like. This is like everything I've ever dreamt of my whole life.
Even we do know your passion and love for Shreyas Iyer, and that's going viral on the social media. If you had to express something to him, and say in a very filmy style, what would that dialogue be?
Honestly, nothing filmy, but I'm a fan. Like, I got trolled for this a lot, but people need to understand just the way you guys have favorites, I have favorites, and this happens to be my favorite. And it's not wrong to have dreams, right? So in my delusional head, if I feel like this is the man for me, then let me live in my bubble. He probably doesn't even know I exist. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, that's it.
And you have been a part of Big Boss also, and tell us about that, how reality shows can get taxing also.
Well, honestly speaking, when I came out of the show for the first 1 week, I think from the third day I was eliminated, I got hospitalized. Because it's a very different life. Like, I stay in a calm house. I have 6 cats, 2 birds, a house help, and I stay in a calm place. Like, I'm not a very loud person. And then I go into a house where everyone's fighting all the time. And then I top the charts. Like, when I'm fighting and everything like that, there are tasks, you're breaking nails, people are judging you, your friendships. So it was a very big change. And it took me, I stayed for 35 days. So when I came back out, it took a lot of time for my body and my mindset to get back to normal. Yeah. So yeah, that's what happened.
Would you prefer like being a part of such reality shows, where it kinds of take a lot of time of yours and you're away from your phone too?
Honestly, I'm very grateful. I would not say that I would not want to be part of a show like that. Because see, Alhamdulillah, like I went to that show and today I'm where I am and I've made it halfway through my dreams. So I definitely say, like, to anybody watching this, if you have the opportunity, never say no, because these things come once and it's really about how you embrace it and what you do with it. So I'm really grateful to be part of Big Boss.
Lastly, you have made a lot of us happy because you are a part of Nayanthara Productions. We want to know about that.
Well, that is like the highlight of my life, I feel like. Working under Nayanthara ma'am's production, like I grew up watching this woman. I adore this woman. And when I first seen her on set, the aura, the beauty, she was barefaced, no makeup, but she's so gorgeous, she's so beautiful, and the aura she carries, you just know, like from the back someone's walked in. That's how you know someone carries aura. And then working in her production house, working under Vignesh sir, her husband, the way they are punctual, the passion they have for their projects, the actors I worked alongside, Pradeep Ranganathan, S.J. Surya sir, the way they carry themselves, the takes they give, it's a learning experience more than anything. Like every day I'm on set, I'm learning something from them. I'm bettering myself as an actor. So I feel really, really privileged that I could be part of this project, honestly.
And anything else if you would like to share with your audience out there you are working on?
I'm currently working with Ravi Teja sir and Ashika Ranganathan. I am playing a good part in the movie without saying much. And right now I'm shooting for it. So I'm really excited for this as well, for the audiences to see this.
Lovely chatting with you and thank you so much for such a lovely interaction and all the very best. Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
Hey, this is Amina Sheikh here on the red carpet of Filmfest South Awards, and with me right now I have Anuj. So join me as I welcome him only on Zoom. I could say that the Karta Dharta of the night tonight. How excited are you for this one?
Well, I'm extremely excited because I'm going to be hosting some of the best of the entire South industry, and I'm so excited to see them in the audience, entertain them, and hopefully take a lot of inspiration from them because they're ones I look at as inspiration, as motivation, and it's extremely exciting that they're my audience today, and I'm extremely excited. So look forward to the night.
And I have to ask you, who's been your personal favorite actor?
Well, if I had to choose a few, I would name a few of them. Allu Arjun for sure, Junior NTR, Rana, Sesh. I mean, the list is endless, and all of them have one thing that I like, and Siddharth as well. I know he's going to be in the audience. So all these actors are some all of them who we look up to, and who I get very excited about when I see them, and I can't wait to see them in the audience.
Which has been your personal favorite movie?
My personal favorite movie of late, I mean, I absolutely love Bahubali, and I'm a big Bahubali fan, and I keep watching that again and again. RRR was another massive hit that I loved. So these two, I would
When
say.
you're on stage, what are you more conscious of the audience or forgetting your lines?
Well, I don't really rehearse my lines too much, so I'm not scared of my lines. I'm only wondering if the audience is having fun or not, and that's the only thing that's on my mind. If I see smiles on their faces, I'm happy.
And lastly, if you had to give a Filmfare winning speech, what would it be and how? Just go out there.
My Filmfare winning speech would be इतनी शिद्दत से तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है कि हर जर्रे ने तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश की है कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. That's about it. Big Shah Rukh fan, so that's the only thing I can think of.
You know, and I hope so someday you win a Filmfare award too.
Thank you so much, Samina.
Thank you so much for such a lovely interaction and all the very best.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here at the red carpet of Filmfare South Awards, and with me right now I have Simran. So join me as I welcome her only on Zoom. First of all, I must say that I love your outfit. Very simple, elegant, and goes with the mood completely. So tell me, how much time did you take to get ready today?
So I put all of this together myself. I've done my own hair and makeup and styling, and I won't lie, it took me about 2.5 hours.
Wow, that's actually still like less.
Yeah, and I did it very like I had music playing in the background. I didn't want it to feel like a chore. So yeah, I just had like a whole vibe.
And since we talk about music, I know that is one thing which we can't live without. What is a go-to hype song for you whenever you come for an event?
Actually, this is not so much a hype song, but a song that I've been listening to a lot is called Simply the Best by Noah Reid. He's done a cover of it, and I absolutely love that track.
If you weren't a celebrity, what would you be doing right now?
I think I'd be a dog walker.
Really?
Yeah.
You love dogs a
I love dogs.
Who's been your favorite breed?
Honestly, I don't want to pick one, but again, I would be mildly biased because I have a golden retriever. So yeah, I'd say golden.
One word to describe your outfit tonight.
I stuck to the memo. Formal was the dress code, and I feel like, yeah,
Dream co-star you haven't worked with yet.
Nani Garu. Yeah.
Your secret talent nobody knows about.
I feel like my talents are pretty out there because I'm quite active on Instagram. So I don't know secret, but I can cook up a really good meal in under 20 minutes.
One fashion trend you wish would come back.
Would come back. I think athleisure. I feel like it's not been doing the rounds too much, and I love comfort, so I'd probably say yeah, I'd like
And
to see more of
lastly,
that.
what is keeping you busy with, and if you could tell us something about your projects, what you are busy with.
So I'm not at the mercy of speaking about my projects just yet, but some really exciting stuff coming up. And apart from that, I've been traveling quite extensively, which I love. And yeah, I'm just exploring other things and just kind of seeing what else is out there apart from acting, because as an actor you also kind of want to not be stagnant.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying different kind of things, and that's what.
Thank you so much for your lovely time and all the very
so
best. Thank you. And with me right now, I have the host, Vindhya. So join me as I welcome her only on Zoom. First of all, I must say you're looking gorgeous and it suits the occasion completely. How much time did you personally take to get ready today?
Today, I don't know, all of a sudden my makeup artist was taking too much time. So after half an hour, I lost my patience. I'm like, please do it quickly. So I also helped him doing a little bit of makeup, but I think it took 1 hour for me to get ready today.
How excited are you to host the Filmfare South Award?
Very, very excited because this is happening for the first time in the South. And I'm looking forward to see a lot of my friends, so whom I haven't met in the last couple of months. So it's like a gathering for us here.
Who's been your personal favorite actor?
Keeps changing from time to time, Every 3 months I see a new film. If I like somebody, it keeps changing. So I don't have any constant.
And which has been your personal favorite movie of the year so far?
Of this year,
Yeah, so far.
I must say there are a lot of movies. I like this movie called Court. I've posted a review about it on Instagram as well. And recently I've watched Kingdom. I loved all the performances like Satyadev Garu, Vijay Devarkonda. All of them have acted really well.
And if you have to say a filmy dialogue in your own tonality for the audience out there, just go for it.
When it comes to dialogues, the first thing that it always comes to my mind is Ek Chutki Sindoor from Bollywood. But yeah, suddenly I can't remember anything from Tollywood.
Of course, you can go ahead with that.
That's the only line that I know.
But if you were to win a Filmfare, award, what would your winning speech look like?
I think I'll start with my parents who supported me all the while, and also my family for being there with me. But I think if it is for Glamour and Style Awards, then I have to thank my stylists and designers, whoever is working on me.
Well, thank you so much for your lovely time and all the very best.
Thank you so much, Samina. Have a great day.
Thank you. And with me right now, I have Mohammad Azharuddin to join me as I welcome him only on Zoom. Lovely to have you, sir, first of all. And what do you have to say about Filmfare South Awards, which has been your personal favorite too?
Well, I think I'm very happy to attend this awards. I've never, I think I have attended one time, maybe very, very long back. So I'm really looking forward to the event, to be very honest, to blatantly be very honest. And I'm happy to be here because one of the most important things for me today is Eugenics Hair Sciences. Dr. Pradeep is sponsoring the event. So I think that's for me is the most important thing today. But the event also is going to be very good. I'm sure a lot of people have come and they will really enjoy it because Filmfare South Glamour Awards, is one of the best things, best awards as well. So I'm really looking forward to enjoying it.
How much are you a movie buff when it comes to watching movies or seeing?
I see movies, because I have some favorite actors and actors, so that's I don't miss their films. But I like seeing movies, but now I hardly get time. But whenever there is time, definitely watch movies.
So if you had to select one of your favorite actor and actress, who would it be and why?
My favorite actor is always Amitabh Bachchan and Rekha.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here on Zoom channel at the red carpet of Filmfare South, and with me right now I have Shrutika. So join me as I welcome her only on Zoom. Lovely to have you, Shrutika, and I could see that a lot of. Thank you so much, and I could see that there is a lot of excitement for today's event. Tell me, how does it feel, being a part of this glorious event, and what are you looking forward to see?
Filmfare itself is a glory, and to be a part of Filmfare is an honor. And style and glamour I'm always attracted to, be it Filmfare or be it even in your day-to-day life. I really like to see how people carry out themselves and what style is in trend, not in trend. So that's something that I'm always passionate about. And being it Filmfare and being style and glamour and people coming here, I know I'm just looking forward to see how they are dressed, what style they're going to bring in today to this room here, and let's see. I'm all excited.
And we could see that you have a lot of passion in your eyes. That reminds me that for a certain role, you also got your eye color changed. Tell us something about that, because that's very interesting and it's something which I've never heard of.
Okay, no, actually they had asked me, so I couldn't take up that project because I was way too young then and I had my exams, so I was in school. And so later on, when I was asked the question that for a particular role, if you were asked to change your eye color, would you? I said, why not? People lose weight, put on weight, so it's the role that's the hero rather than you. No, you just adapt to the role or the character. So most welcome. If the role demands it, so be it.
Bigg Boss is coming back in television for all out there, and Salman has been sharing some videos and all. You have been a part of the Bigg Boss show. If you had to describe your journey in one word, how would that be?
Traumatic.
So too honest.
I am honest, and see, because I have never been away from my family. That's the first time ever in my life that I've been away from my family, even not for work, not for studies. I've never been. I'm a very family-bound child, so coming out of family and living like in a setup which is like a luxurious jail, okay, with no phone, no connection to the out world, was traumatic. And for me to come out of it post Bigg Boss, and I was there in for almost 100 days. And for me to come out of it only took about 2-3 months, to come out of that kind of a mindset. It's a tough show, but it's worth it. The exposure that it gives you, it's worth it.
You also made some good friends over there. Chum Darang was one of your friends, basically. So does the equation continue after Bigg Boss, or basically you all split around?
You take any friendship, for example, okay? So no friendship exists without ups and downs, and you have the most of misunderstandings and fights with your friends, with your best of friends. So yes, every friendship has its ups and downs, but at the moment I am very much in touch with Bagaji and Chahat.
And lastly, before I let you go, you're doing one more reality show. Tell us something about that. That's got it excited.
Okay, so this is called Single Pasanga, and this is a show for soup boys. That's how they call it there. And down south, especially in Tamil Nadu, this is a very new concept because nowadays 90s kids are not getting a bride for themselves. They're finding it very tough, be it on any matrimony or be it the number of breakups and all of that. So I think Z Tamil came out with this concept that we should have a show which people could relate to. Not just the single boys, but also their families as to why is this happening with my son. So it's basically a laughter riot. It's not a very serious kind of a show, but yes, it's a very chill and it's very entertaining. You'll have fun watching it. Yeah.
And apart from this, where do we see you?
I don't know. Let's see where God takes me. I've never planned anything, so I've never planned Happy Herbs. Happy Herbs is the brand that we own. So be it business, be it my Tamil show where I got launched, Cook with Komali, be it Big Boss. I've never planned anything in my life, and now so be this. So let's see where God takes me, and I'm open and to whatever I feel I could do justice to. I just don't want to take up things where I feel I'm not good at. So let's see, and wherever I can entertain people the most, if I could bring one small smile on all your faces, and because of me, if you've forgotten your worries for at least 1 or 2 minutes, that itself is a win for me.
Thank you so much for your lovely time and all the very best.
Thank you, Samina.
Me right now, I have Yagna to join me as I welcome her only on Zoom. First of all, I must say that this color is such a lovely color and suits you completely. You look lovely in this outfit.
Thank you so much. That's very sweet.
And tell me, how excited are you to be a part of the Filmfare South Awards?
It's my first red carpet, so it's a very big night for me. And congratulations to Filmfare because it's their first edition. So, yeah, looking forward to many more such events here.
I have to ask you, what is your go-to hype song before coming for any red carpet event?
Any Anirudh's music beats that pumps you up.
If you weren't a celebrity, what would you choose, as a profession?
Stylist, because I style this myself and design it myself. Yeah.
Lovely, I must say that. One word to describe your outfit today.
Glam.
Okay, dream co-star you haven't worked with yet and would love to work.
Vijay Deverakonda.
Your secret talent nobody knows about.
I think all my talents are out there. I sing, I dance, I act. So I enjoy anything related to art. So nothing that I hide.
And lastly, one fashion trend you would wish to come back. You would want like that fashion trend should come back.
2000 Bollywood. I love it.
If you had to give your winning speech at the Filmfare Awards, how would it be? And you could just go for it.
I'd be speechless. This would be my reaction firstly, and dream come true.
Well, thank you so much, Yagna, for your such a lovely interaction. But before I let you go, what are your upcoming projects you're focusing on?
Yeah, so I'm currently working in a Telugu film called Cult with Vishwak Sen. He's the actor and he's also the director. I am playing one of the leads there.
Lovely chatting with you, and thank you so much for your interaction. Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here at the red carpet of Filmfare South Awards, and with me right now I have Mohit to join me as I welcome him only on Zoom. First of all, from the world of cricket to the world of glamour, the shift has been quite an evident one tonight. So tell us about it.
I think cricket and glamour goes hand in hand. As we can all see, all cricketers look very good. I think that's because of their discipline that cricket teaches us. And yeah, so everyone's looking good. And yeah, so cricket and glamour, I think, are going very well together.
And we are just going to add some glam quotient over here with the world of cricket is that when you kind of, deliver sixer or say a chauka mara, agar, in case for that matter, what is that one Bollywood dialogue that plays in your head?
One Bollywood dialogue. I don't think a dialogue plays in my head. I think song Winning Speech by Karan Aujla. I think that keeps playing in my head whenever I do good, take a wicket or, perform well on the field.
How much are you or a fan of the entertainment world? When I say so, any of your favorite actors, which you kind of adore or admire?
See, being from South and being from a Telugu family, you know how the Telugu audience are crazy about movies. I've been a massive fan of Mahesh Babu and Ravi Teja. Both of them my favorite actors from South India. And yeah, I think they're my favorite.
Who are you looking forward to, witness tonight?
I don't know, maybe everybody. Let's watch out who's going to be the best.
And since India versus Pakistan match is soon going to take place in Dubai, tell us something about that. How excited are you? Because we always look forward to this one.
Yeah, I think the most awaited cricket match for every cricket player from the Indian team is the Pakistan match, and I think it's going to be very exciting and interesting to watch.
Lovely chatting with you, and thank you so much for such a lovely interaction. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here at the red carpet of Filmfare South Awards, and with me right now I have Dilip sir. So join me as I welcome him only on Zoom. First of all, from the world of cricket, to the world of glamour. How does it feel like?
It's quite different. Yeah, this has been my first experience coming to a film side, but I've known quite a few guys, especially in the south and many seen, because most of them featured in CCL and they're quite enthusiastic about cricket also. So I'm seeing the other side of it, seeing the film side, but it's been nice.
What are you looking forward to tonight?
Basically, I'm more looking at the whole environment, how it goes around with the glitz and glamour, because we're always on the other side, where the sports side, just about the experience what I can get to it.
Who's been your personal favorite actor?
That's a tough one because I'm more into a character artist than the stylish part. But there are many actors which are very nice. So I wouldn't name any particular one, but I'm more of a character artist which take care of a lot of content drive through it. So I look forward to those.
And the tougher one is that basically who's been your favorite cricketer?
Oh, there are quite a few people. But when I grew up, when I was playing, I think I always looked up Sachin Tendulkar. He's someone who I always wanted to meet. But luckily in 23 World Cup, he came to the final and I got the chance. So it was quite a moment for me in my life.
And lastly, India versus Pakistan match is taking place in Dubai. How excited are you for that one?
Of course, any match for us is exciting, and obviously playing against Pakistan is always a challenge, and we always enjoyed that challenge whenever it came our way. So let's be looking for it.
Thank you so much for your lovely time and such a good interaction. Thank you.